Hello everyone, I bring a new video on topic of trade psychology. We are going to discuss an interesting issue that mistake cause 90% trade lose their bankroll. Many people in trade think that strategy is wrong, but it doesn't work that way. Remember, in the previous video I discussed the fact that strategy has 70 to 80% effectiveness rates. And as explained in the video and look at the example indicators, that's normal effectiveness. But sometimes there are people who, so to speak, make the mistakes of trying, get a reversion on the markets. They try to quickly recover a lot, increase their stake after losing kind of the gale. They say, okay, let's say the price is gone up. And they say, no, it's going to down here, or in this case, it's gone against the strategy, and that's make them lose. Sometimes people don't accept loss, and the important point of this video, they are talking about a specific situation that have opened to me. That haven't happening to many other people, and that is normal. So I also have to accept that. You might say all the market and the currency pair, assume the financial markets will let you do this to the news, right? You should stay out of because what you don't know won't help you. So remember that, okay? So we got some situation we have a fake situation, and always I'm talking about that during the live session, so that's important, right?
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Right? You might get lucky once or twice, but based on the strategy, movement are so abrupt that then can lose money. And then happen a lot in both live trading and in the videos and unexplained. So that's always important to mention. It's also important to mention that OTC markets can be very, very volatile sometimes. If you see that markets very volatile, it's best not to trade there, guys. You stay out of the markets. Why? It's the same thing. Remember that the OTC markets is a simulated market run by the broker. While you have the open markets and the closed markets, that is OTC. Right? And the markets can be full of surprises. Even live trades, you see how positions is getting around and it's getting ground on that, and then the last minute change everything. It's flipping that I lost, even if there's a large margin. But that is part of it. It's a part thing, and that is taken into account because a war went to be out in markets, and so we are concluding that your account gets wiped out when you make bad decisions. When you don't have a trade plan based on this one, you're gonna blow our account again and again and again. So we should trade 5 times a day. Maybe that's a win or loss. If you lose 2, you're out. If you win 5, that's pretty good. I don't trade more. I don't overtrade because it's keys of these markets. Trading the maximum. And those cycle trading takes are going to lose based on what? Because you, by overtrading one case, lose your profits, went up with a loss or double the amount of your trades. And remember, the risk management is everyone's responsibility. The mindset, no, it's to preserve our capital. And that's what we do in the live stream. Sometimes I don't win, I try to make a profit, but for us, in the part of that's capital, or the account balances stay where they start in the end of the month. If it then ends up higher, get profits. If it ends up slightly slower, and that's fine too, because it didn't get as much exposure.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Is day where I started? Well, no big deal. We can experience and so on. Well, you could say those one don't know how to lose them last. Alright? If you can accept loss, guys, you can accept this. You are doing something wrong. I hope these tips have helped you understand a little about cycle trend involving the minor option trading. I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and feel to leave in the comments Alright, see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.